Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P day trade setup for today. So starting off, yesterday was a holiday, Martin Luther King Day, which I clean forgot about it in our videos yesterday. So obviously there wasn't much happening, but price action did actually play out. So as expected, we are still in this channel, and the opportunity to buy did appear yesterday, although it was very small, and then we've had this gap up and we're kind of running at the moment. Can't see any news which is driving us at the moment, but obviously there was fairly good data coming out of China on Sunday, which probably didn't get a chance to play out. So that's more than likely what it is the Asian session that has been driven. So what I want to do is just put that level in there. So you can see there is my swing high, okay, and then you see you have two other fractals there as well. So that is my level, that's my line in the sand. We are through it, and I would want to be buying off that level right now. I just want to add the next level in so we can see exactly where we turned. It's not there, it's on this fractal there, and then there's the other fractal there. So we had that zone in yesterday, and that's pretty much where we turned, and you can see the 66 moving average right in the same area as well. So start running down through the time frames and we'll see a fairly interesting picture. Firstly, bottom of the range, you can see this is a fairly decent pullback, and if I just do it from there to there, just above the 61.8 on the first leg up. Okay, so lots of areas there for us to be trading off. Let's delete that noise. And you can see exactly what transpired yesterday. So we floated down here with a pin bar, and I said, the break above the pin bar is the trade. Then you came back and formed a second signal off the 155 moving average, and that's an inside bar there. In between two levels, not quite at a level, and nevertheless it is kind of in the zone. So for me, waiting for the pullback, and then we're looking to buy. And right now the pullback is one of two areas, and I'll give that to you on the 1 hour. Now that's looking like a little bit of an exhaustion bar at the moment, but we're looking for a pullback onto either 37.86, and you can see we've broken above the moving averages. Problem is that we do have a little bit of a problem here, that we are overbought, so stochastics are heading up. So you could kind of see a pullback, or it could be a second leg down. That's the other problem that you need to pay attention to as well. But it's above and below the moving averages, so it's not really testing a break. So if it was testing a break here at 37.86 and now starting to form lower lows, then that would be concerning. But at the moment, I think this is kind of a break to the upside. So what we're looking for is a pullback. First pullback is obviously 37.86. You can look to the left, you'll see that does offer quite a bit of support. Second pullback is going to be to the gap, and then third pullback will be back down to these levels here. Bear in mind it was a public holiday yesterday, so if these levels needed to be tested, so, and you never know who it is, whether it's the bulls or the bears that are looking for that level, but if that level needed to be tested, then you can expect it to come back down again. What's your target to the upside? Probably top of range to start with, so that's 38.25. I'd expect, so 3800 is pretty much offering resistance at the moment, but if we do get through 3800, come back and test that area, then I'll be looking for the longs as well. Okay, so yeah, that's me for today. It does look fairly interesting. We have got breakouts at the moment on the hour. Obviously I want to see pullbacks and structure, so it's not gonna happen sort of in an hour or half an hour or something. It is going to take a little bit of time for some structure to form, and we just need to wait for that. So be patient today. Does look like we are getting some structure to be formed, but also at the same time, just look to the left, you've got a whole lot of resistance here, And today, earnings season kicks off with a bang. So Bank of America's first up, probably the biggest one today. So that could set the tone for the rest of the day as well. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And we will catch up with you bright and breezy tomorrow morning. Enjoy the rest of your day, and cheers for now.